Hey guys, it's Yvette, and I have my cat lady box. Right, Jelly Bean? Jelly Bean is here and he's ready to go. So let's get it open. And it's huge. Look, guys, like this is double the size it normally is. So I don't know what's in here, but I'm super excited. All right, let me get this. Don't put your nose near here, buddy. No, move your nose. Okay. All right. Look, I was able to do it. Didn't poke you in the nose. It's amazing, right? Okay. Oh my goodness. It's pink. I see pink and black. I'm really excited. All right, so Jelly Bean. I'm gonna pull this out first because it's easy. It says Cat Lady on it. It looks like it's little cat head paper clips. And they are like rose gold. Let me pull them out. See if I can take some glare off of that. Oh my gosh. Those are so cute. Does it slide? No, I guess it goes up. Jelly Bean, don't go in there, baby. Oh, he's loving on everything. Okay, I'm not taking it off because they're going to go all over the place. And plus, I've got a cat in here now. Oh, wait. Baby, hold on. Look. Oh, my goodness, look. It's doing this because he's got his entire booty in your face. It's a little snake. Isn't that cute? And the catnip is obviously like right here. I can... What about this? What about this? What about this little snake? Do you like a little snake? He's all over. He won't get up. I haven't taken anything out but this and the paper clips. All right, Jelly Bean, let me take it. You're gonna knock this all off the table. Look at him. He's a nut ball. He's trying to do roly-polies in it. Oh my gosh. All right. I'm trying to... Okay, I think we're good here. I have to get that off in a little bit. All right, here's the little snake. He's super cute. He got a little heart tongue. Do you see that? He got a little heart tongue. Who's that? Hi, Smudgy. Smudgy, look where you open. You want this, buddy? Jelly Bean is sleeping on Mommy's stuff. You want him? You want the snake? Here you go. He ran away from it. He was scared of it. It's a little pink snake. Okay, Jelly Bean, you are mighty cute, honey. You are mighty cute. But Mommy needs to get the stuff out of here. What's this? Oh, look, something else. Dreamcat.pet. What is it? It says it's a... Just says Dream Cat. It looks like it's just a little pillow. Probably with some nip in it. Okay, I don't know. This is probably, I mean, I thought last month's box was a bit chaotic with JB, but this is proving to be a little bit of a challenge. Jelly Bean, Mommy needs to get in there. Okay, hold on. There's not even a card. I'm sure it's in here somewhere. But the cat jumped on here so fast. Oh, wait, here it is. Okay. Oh, my goodness. Look at that. That is so cute. Oh, my goodness. Okay, so this is obviously the February box. And it says it's MEOWLENTINE'S Day. And that's Dad, guys. So the featured cat lady, that's what I'm trying to get to. The featured cat lady is Katerina Pushkina. I hope I said that right. Katerina Pushkina. Katerina is an artist and illustrator based in California. She's an experienced... Jelly Bean, you're going to knock the camera over. so sorry. He's playing with the little pillow, which is obviously Chalkers with nip. Really, JB? Hold up. I'm not even gonna... Y'all are gonna, like, see all of my mess. Look at this one. What are you doing? Here you go. Go. Yeah? Okay. Oh my goodness. He's wanting to know where's the camera going. Okay. I had to share that with you guys. You would have, like, you wouldn't have been happy if I hadn't have shared that with you. Are you going down there to get... No, that's the trash, baby. Don't do that. I'm sorry, guys. If I leave this on the floor, they're going to try to eat it. Okay. We're talking about Katerina Pushkina here. She's an experienced 2D games artist and animator, but also likes to get away from her computer screen to paint and draw, with traditional media. She loves to explore new techniques, but my favorite materials are acrylic paints, ink, and watercolors. She loves to paint cat portraits and still lifes. You can see more of her work at instagram.com/shiz. I'm gonna have to write that down for you in somewhere because I can't even. It's SHIZAYATS, and that's adorable. Okay. Oh, Jelly Bean, you're having a great time, aren't you, baby? Okay, and then there's a lovely pink t-shirt, which I'm so super happy for. Oh my goodness, you guys look. Oh my goodness. It's got a little kitty cat hanging from a heart balloon. Bye, Jelly Bean. He's going to see what Daddy's doing. Oh my goodness. Okay, so I got a lovely pink t-shirt with a kitty cat and a heart on it. And then there's like something humongous in here. And that's it. Okay. Oh, poopy doo. What was that? Oh my goodness. Okay. Bunch of stuff fell. No worries. I don't know. It looks like a blanket, guys. I'm so excited. This is a blanket. I'm super excited. Oh my goodness. It seems like it's a human-sized blanket. We've gotten blankets for the kitties before, which is really awesome. What? Oh my goodness. You guys. It's got a hat and oh my... Okay, hold up. Let me move the chair. Oh my goodness. Oh, it doesn't, there's no sleeves. It's just a blanket. But you put the hood on. I feel like Red Riding Hood or something. All right, let's have a seat. I can't see. Hi. Oh my goodness, this is so cozy. Does this, oh, and it ties. Oh my goodness, y'all. I love it. Oh my goodness. I am so happy with this box. Do you guys get the Cat Lady box? I've been saying for like a million years. First of all, if you don't have any cats, but you love cats, you can still get this box. This box that I get is called the Crazy Cat Lady box, and it's called that because not only do you get stuff for the cat lady, but you also get toys for the cat lady's cats, right? If you just want stuff for the cat lady, in other words, in this particular box, you would have received this lovely blanket, this lovely t-shirt and these lovely paper clips. And you would not have received this little guy or the snake, right? And that would just be the Cat Lady box. And I get the Crazy Cat Lady box. Okay, so hopefully I've explained that well enough. I don't remember what the price is for the Cat Lady box, but the Crazy Cat Lady box, which is the one I get, is $39.99 per month. And thanks for watching, guys. I will see you in my next video. Let me know what you think. What I think is, I love this little blanket right here. I don't want to take it off. I want to make all my videos wearing this little thing right here. Oh my goodness, it's lovely. And I think I look super cute in it. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you in the next video. Mwah.